Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Altia. I haven't posted on here for quite a while and I'm going to tell you why.
Hello again. So my name is Altia and I have been on YouTube for the past 7 years, I think. I know that there's over 100 videos so far, or 200. I'm not quite sure, but 7 years, I mean, I'm sure there's plenty of videos for you to watch. Lately, I have been absent for nearly a year, but I have a good reason for that, because I started my own business here in Malta, which revolves around crochet, obviously, and I'm so excited to finally share with you. So I'm going to take you to a little backstory of how this all started. It all started by chance. An opportunity came up. I was very much debating not to take it because of the shy person that I am. When I went for it and I took the leap, I started running from there. So it was a very good opportunity, and I'm doing it actually this year again. It's what kickstarted my business, so it was very surprising for me too. I'm sorry, there's a steering wheel in the middle, but in my car. It is currently Saturday, nearly 8 o'clock in the morning, because I have my first class of the day, because the business that I started here in Malta is teaching crochet to the Maltese community. I've had a very, very, very good response. I'm very much looking forward to keep growing this business. It's very, very close to my heart, and I do it with such a passion. I get more excited than the students, most probably. But yeah. So let me take you to some video clips that I took along this past year of these classes and where we got so far.
These are the kit bags. These are the ones for the kids. And these are the adult ones. And Luna here just wants to cuddle. Well, I am off for another class. I will stop this video here today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of my new venture. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.